how to equip Steam Startup Movie. So if you want to equip Steam Startup Movie, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Steam application. After opening your Steam, you need to just simply go with your Steam Points Shop. Go with Store, which will be in the top left, and then go with your Points Shop. And for example, I want to buy this one and then pay the 3,000 points, click on Later, and then go here on the top right, which is Enter Big Picture Mode. You need to click on it and you will have your Big Picture Mode right here. And once you're here, you just need to simply go with your menu, which will be on the bottom left. From the menu here, you will have the settings option. Click on settings and then go to customization option. Now on the right side, you will have the startup option. You need to just simply click on the startup, click on it, and then just simply go and restart the big picture mode. For that, you need to go with menu and then go with power and then go with restart. Or just simply exit the big picture mode and then again go back to the big picture mode. So that's how you can equip Steam Startup Movie in big picture mode. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.